Ano kayo minili mo?
Starting right there. Grade 5 and grade 6. Sa Studio Barracks of the Military. Makinig kayo, grade 5 and grade 6. And according to National Historical Commission of the Philippines, dyan po ikinasal si Josephine Bracken and his son Rizal one day before ng execution niya sa martyrdom.
Thank you.
Ito. Picture si Ita, no?
Thank you. I love you. But can I show you a video? It's not dingba. Kasi guys,
Ano na po? Grade 5 and 6.
ayun po. Can I go back to the box? No, you don't. Yes, ito. Tawag lang ako. Kita mo yung malaking ano na yan? That's so obvious na happy ko. For me many times. When I was little, I didn't put kayo dyan. Hindi ko bago ito. What does that stand for? Wow, your head's getting hit so hard. I want to see it.
Go na bus 4.
Green is the color of nature. There's a boat!
There's a boat! Kasi meron pa po tayong last na pupuntahan. Po? Parents, kaya pa?
No!
Kasi tayo po ay pupunta sa Rizal's Museum.
Yay!